I think actually when Madhya Pradesh is full, Uttar Pradesh is going to sleeping mode. Well, my dear friends, I want George say, good afternoon. Well, that is the spirit. Well, my dear friends, I'm a Lion KSK Jaydev Rao, as Sar said. I have been experienced, and in fact, it's a wonderful opportunity for me to interact with a lot of people across South India. And today, I have been training actually for the last 7-8 years, all the engineering management degree and even intermediate students also. Well, today I'm here to talk about something which is very important in our life. Whatever is being talked here is very, very important. My dear friends, for important people, everything is important. For useless people, everything is useless. Well, my good friend, Lion Gampa Nageswarao, he is also Lions Club member, and my wonderful friend Sai Baba Garu and Subbarao Garu, and all my good friends. We are talking about, you must have actually heard goal setting. My dear friends, goal setting is not a new subject to anybody. But all the Fortune 500 companies, CEOs are sitting in the goal setting program every year, every time. Because once the goals are accomplished, they need to accomplish more and more goals in their lives. Goal setting is a never-ending process. Without goals, we are not going to reach anywhere. Well, I would like to ask you, who is the best actually person amongst you? Who is the most important person amongst you? Yourself. Yeah, you are the most important person. You are most beautiful person in this world, and you are highly talented, and you are this something special, or you are unique, my dear friends. Never actually forget that. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. That is very important. So, what is the most important thing required in our life? Can you tell me? For our survival, what is the most important thing? Money? Wonderful. Give her a round of applause. No. Please, give a round of applause. Energy has to be there, my dear friends. Well, my dear friends, money is very important, but it is not everything in our life. We cannot buy, there are certain things we cannot buy with money, such as peace, happiness, life, a loyal friend, a loyal life partner. These things we cannot buy with money. But money is very, very important in our life. Without money, we cannot survive in this world. Money is very important. పర్వసుని సూరి గారు ఆయన మిత్రలాభం మిత్రభేదంలో ఆయన చెప్తే విజ్డమ్ అని ప్రబోధిస్తూ ఉంటారు. దాంట్లో ఏం చెప్పారంటే, ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ all the people coming to contact with us with a view of getting something in return. Without return, nobody comes into our life, my dear friends. The whole world is the materialistic world. Every relationship is established with a view of getting something in return. If that return is not there, nobody is going to come into your life. Well, my dear friends, so money is very important. Do you know actually how much money you require in your life? Have you got any goal? Tell me. What is the goal? The goal, purpose, and your desire. Your purpose in your life, definite purpose, your aspiration, destination, wealth. Good. First, health is very important. Next, actually, wealth. Well, after health, money is very important. But there are certain people, they want money, but how much money they want, that is very, very important. My dear friends, can we sit in any bus or a train or a plane without knowing the destination? We can't. We need to know where we want to go. But when we know the destination where we want to go, but Why don't you have the goal in your life? How much money you want to earn? That is very, very important, my dear friends. People say so many things, but money is very important. Money lekapothe evvadu mana daggiriki raadandi. I am telling you, I experienced enough. You all have been experiencing. Money is very important. Ee rojuna mana Gampa, my friend Gampa is training lot of people because they are going to make the people to be effective, to become productive and having the capability of earning money. That is very important. Because when we have a win-win attitude, మనం బాగుండాలి, నలుగురు బాగుండాలని ఎప్పుడైతే అనుకుంటామో, my dear friends, entire India is going to be one of the best countries in the world because దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంటే మనుషులోయ్. Well, my dear friends, you need to have the goals. When you have a goal, how much money you want, that is very important. Goals are different to different people. Success is different to different people. Some people, those who are not happy, happiness is the goal. People, those who are not having the health, health is goal. People, those who do not have a spiritual, actually, happiness, they want a spirituality. They want to acquire it. That is a spiritual goal. Social goals, service goals, career goals, academic goals. You want to become a great trainer in the world. But you need to work like anything. You need to have a goal. And my dear friends, all goals have to be actually achieved with a plan of action. Action without planning, planning without action reaches nowhere. My dear friends, we need to have action plan. Well, your goals must be smart, specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, time bound. They are very, very important. How much money you want to earn? I want to earn 1 crore within 5 years. That specific amount is required in your mind. My dear friends, people are not able to achieve in their life because they are not able to think. That is very, very crucial. If you think you are going to get, you are going to get. If you think you are not going to get, you are not going to get. My dear friends, that specific amount has to be there. Measurable. Measurable. I want to get $1 million by 50th year. That is very, very important. You need to have that specific measurable amount has to be measurable. And actionable. How much you want to earn, that is very, very important. So my dear friends, we have a goal, but I cannot work for that. I cannot achieve. What is the use? It should be actionable. I can work for that. I can achieve for that. I can do like anything. Because there is no such thing as something for nothing. You need to work like anything. Hard work. There is no substitute for hard work. There is only separates the memorables from the mediocres. My dear friends, people, they are not able to come up in the life not because they do not want to become. My dear friends, they want to become, but they never work for that. That's only the thing. Ability to take an action. That is very, very important. That separates the memorables from the mediocres. So you need to work for that. You need to dream. You need to imagine. Whatever you imagine, and you are going to get it. That's a simple thing. But we don't believe in that. That's only the problem. My dear friends, believe in yourself. You are capable of doing anything. You can achieve anything in this world. In America, people invest lakhs of rupees and do attend the seminars and change their lives. But here, there are certain places, there are certain colleges where I am addressing people at a free cost. They are not able to actually understand what is important in their life. They are missing the common sense. Vichakshna jnananni kolpotunnaru. My dear friends, that is only the thing where we need to focus in India. Well, the goals must be smart, specific, measurable, actionable, and realistic. I want to lose my weight 30 kilos in a month. Is it possible? So it's not a realistic one. So how the realistic? I want to lose my weight 3 to 4 kilos or 5 kilos. That is the realistic one. So, specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time bound. Majority of the people have the goals, but the thing is, they never start it. They never start it. That's only the problem. My dear friends, you need to start. You need to start. When you are going to start it, when you are going to complete it, when you want to achieve it, that has to be written. My dear friends, when you want to achieve goals in your life, they have to be written. Can we construct a house without having a written plan? We cannot. In the same way, we need to have to write everything, whatever you want to achieve in your life. Your short-term goal, mid-term goal, long-term goal, and lifetime goals. You need to write. When you write, the power is generated between your head and hands. The writing has got that much power. Even during the examinations, whatever you want to learn, my dear friends, you write and prepare the notes. It is going to work like anything. Preparation is very important. Planning, preparation, practice, presentation. It's very, very crucial in our life. If you do not plan, you are planning for your failure. If you do not prepare, you are preparing for failure. We understand. A person does not prepare, it is seen. It is observed by the people. When they prepare very well, it creates the vibrations in the minds of the people. The preparation is very, very important. So, my dear friends, goals have to be achieved. In order to achieve the goals, you need to have a written action plan. Yearly plan, half-yearly, quarterly, and monthly, and even weekly, day by day, minute by minute, planning has to be there. Those who actually implement them, they get the fantastic results. Those who do not actually implement, you are going to miss everything. Small things make a great deal of difference. Mother Teresa told, small things make a great deal of difference in our life. A small hole in the ship will sink the great ship. A small fire will actually take away the lives of the millions of the people. A small negligence will take away the lives of the millions. A small nap of a Volvo driver taken the lives of the 44 people in the Volvo. My dear friends, the small things are very crucial. A small word will break the relationship. You need to be very, very careful. Well, my dear friends, the goals, how in order to achieve them, you need to have actually a smart program and you need to have action plan. Well, my dear friends, when we do write everything and follow, progress has to be there. You need to improve like anything. You need to change your life. You need to enhance. You need to work like anything. And my dear friends, you need to have the progress in your life. When you have a progress, that gives you maximum satisfaction and happiness. That gives you a lot of happiness. If the progress is not there, I hear from here, I leave from here, what is the use? Whatever you learn, note down and work on that. Work on that. Never try to judge the people. Mother Teresa told, if you keep on judging the people, my dear friends, you do not have the time to love the people. Never judge the people. That is the cheapest quality. Constructive criticism is different. That is different. And just for criticism's sake, criticizing the people, and my dear friends, that is, you are not going to get anything. Well, my dear friends, can you tell me what is the greatest quality of a great person in this world? Happiness? Anything? I need interaction here. Come on. Honesty, wonderful. Focus, oh, wonderful. Satisfaction. Patience. Perseverance. Oh, wonderful. Lot of training. My dear friends, amongst you there are some students, employees are there, and experienced people are there. My dear friends, when you experience something, when you learn with understanding, understanding is discovery, and when you experience it, and you learn something and experience it, and my dear friends, that is going to be a great lesson for you. Understanding is discovery. That is very, very important. When you understand something, you need to experience it. That is very crucial. Well, my dear friends, Harvard University, Harvard University made a research. What is the great quality of the great people in this world? My dear friends, 3% of the world population are successful, and 1% of the world are toppers in this world. 1% of the people are toppers in this world. My dear friends, they are actually Harvard University made a research. The result is what is the common quality of the actually all the top people in this world. The common quality of the all the top people in this world is a positive mental attitude. My dear friends, attitude is most important. No, it's this side. Dear friends, attitude is very, very important. That is the common quality of all the top people in this world. What do you mean by attitude? Attitude is the small thing which makes a great deal of difference in your life. Attitude is everything. What is the attitude? Attitude is way of thinking. Attitude is way of thinking. Attitude is a way of feeling. Attitude is way of actually looking at the things. My dear friends, when you make a habit of looking for good in every situation, with everybody, my dear friends, you cultivate a positive mental attitude. My dear friends, those who are going to be successful, 85% of the success depends upon your attitude. 15% of your success depends upon your knowledge, academic knowledge, conceptual knowledge, technical knowledge. 85% work on that. That is very important. People work only on actually aptitude. English, grammar, mathematics, your technical skills and all these things. They spend lakhs of rupees, which is going to contribute only 15% of your success. 85% of your success and depends upon your positive mental attitude. People, those who have actually a good positive mental attitude, that is your positive mental attitude, humble attitude, great attitude, responsible attitude is going to be the secret of your success. In your organization, when you work, when you have a positive mental attitude, you are going to be actually promoted soon. Because people listen to you, but they see your attitude. Attitude is very important. Some people grumble, thorns have roses. Roses have thorns. Some people are grumbling that roses have thorns. Some people are grateful to God because thorns have roses. That is the attitude, my dear friends. The way of thinking. Whatever you think, it is going to happen. If you think positively, positive things happen. If you think negatively, negative things happen. My dear friends, your thinking is capital, enterprise is the way, and hard work is the solution, told by Abdul Kalam. Whatever you think, it is going to happen. But we don't believe in ourselves. That's only the problem. Believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving anything in your life. My dear friends, once Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya, he was a founder of Hindu Benares University, Benares Hindu University. Donation for the Hindu Benares University, he came and visited and asked Nizam, Your Excellency, I am Madan Mohan Malaviya. I am here to ask you certain money for the Hindu Benares University, which is meant for all the students, irrespective of the caste, creed, religion. Then immediately, Nizam was in a total different mood. He said, You fool, you came here to ask me certain money with actually that too for Hindu Benares University. Get out from this. And started auctioning the chapels of Nizam, saying that these are the chapels of Nizam and who want to go for a bidding. People started coming, 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 50. So it was going on. At the time, Nizam came to know from his followers that his chapels were being auctioned. He sent immediately his people, go and bid for the highest amount. Then thus Madan Mohan Malaviya got the highest amount out of the chapels of Nizam. That is the positive mental attitude, my dear friends. Majority of the problems in our lives, we react to the situation. We never respond to the situation. If somebody says, you are a fool, I'm a fool, you are a fool, your mother is a fool, your father is a fool, we react, we never respond. That is only we are hired for solving the problems. We are living here to solve the problems. People come with a lot of problems to our Pattaviram sir for counseling. Why? They have the problems. If he creates more problems, what will happen? My dear friends, he is going to solve all the problems. We are here to solve the problems. We need to become bigger than the problems. Then the problems seem to be smaller than us. When we become smaller than the problems become bigger than us. My dear friends, it is not the matter what happens to us. It is the matter how we use how we use what we have. It's not the matter what happens to us. It is the matter how you think about what happens to us. That is very, very important in our life, my dear friends. Never react. So మీరు చక్కగా కష్టపడి మీ గోల్స్ పెట్టుకుని వాటిని ఆచరించి తూచా తప్పకుండా ఆచరిస్తే, బికాస్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫెయిలింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్ ది థింగ్స్. దట్స్ ఓన్లీ ది ప్రాబ్లం. మనకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇర్రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏజ్, problems are there. Problems are there. Once Socrates told, by all means we marry. If we marry a good girl, we become so happy. If we marry a bad one, we become philosophers. It is vice versa also. It is vice versa. సాడిస్ట్ని, సైకోల్ని పెళ్లి చేసుకుని ఎంతమంది అమ్మాయిలు బాధపడుతున్నారండి. మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వైస్ వెర్సా ఆల్సో. సో మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరందరూ గోల్స్ పెట్టుకోండి. గోల్స్ అనేది చిన్నది అనుకోవద్దు, అది అందరూ చెప్పేది కదా అని మాత్రం అనుకోవద్దు. గోల్స్ అని పెట్టుకుని ఏ టైంలో అయినా సరే మీ గోల్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్ ది గోల్స్ and have a peaceful life, achieve them and become successful and see that other people also come up in the life. Thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity.
మాట్లాడారు మీరు ఇందాక, ధన్యవాదాలు. ఫ్యూచర్లో యూ విల్ బి కమింగ్ టు అవర్ టెంపుల్. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ పట్టాభిరామ్ గారు.